Hello, my beautiful people. I hope you all are absolutely fine. And we are back with the third episode of our entrepreneurship series, especially which is being covered for tier 2, tier 3 students, or anyone who was like me, who is like me, that he or she is a student or budding entrepreneur but lack resources or capital. So, in this video, we are going to talk about social media. So, when I began Third Eye, the thing was like, I thought that my only purpose is to empower artisans, and because of that, a clot was created in my mind, which didn't help me. Like literally, it was kind of a problem for me. Let me tell you how. I didn't focus on social media at all. Now, when I say that I didn't focus on social media, it doesn't mean कि मैंने post नहीं किया. I used to post. I didn't used to make reels back then, but yeah, I used to post something. And when I say that posting your recognitions, it is very important because people across they need to know, because recognitions create credibility that yes, you are, whatever you are doing is not fake and you are really doing it. And once you get that government recognition, तो सबको पता चल जाता है कि that you are not fake या fraud नहीं है. So now the reality which I realized later, that no matter how noble your cause is, or whatever you are trying to solve, if you are not customer centric, your startup won't survive. Now, if I am sitting in Kanpur, how am I expecting anyone else to be sitting in Goa or probably Madhya Pradesh to know that Third Eye exists? The only way I have is social media, and bless people who made social media, because rather than only, of course it is the attention span is decreasing, all the advantages, disadvantages, but at the same time there are pros and cons of everything. So when I talk about social media reaching wider audience just with a click, just with a reel, just with a video, is like, it has immense potential, and we need to work on that. And there are, you might be seeing a few people, a few brands which are literally doing amazing in social media. And let me tell you how do they do it. So if I have to start something from very scratch, see, I'm not saying that I've done anything till now, but the thing is that now I understand that how things work. For example, if I have to start something from scratch, what would be my absolute strategy kind of a thing? So for example, if I am doing this apparel industry, I'm into this apparel industry only, अगर मैं कुछ नया भी start करूँ, for example skincare, whatever you want to take, the first thing is create hype. If you as founder, if you are not creating that hype, तो फिर किसी को कोई मतलब नहीं होता, कोई क्यों ही करेगा. Now after that, for example, I have to launch something next month or next week or probably in 2 weeks. क्रिएट हाइप क्रिएट करो, दैट वी एंड रिमेंबर, उस हाइप क्रिएट करने के बाद वो मरना नहीं चाहिए कि आपका प्रोडक्ट तो निकल कर ही नहीं आ रहा है. पहले यूजर फीडबैक अपने आसपास ले लो कि हाउ डू यू थिंक, व्हाट डू यू थिंक ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट एंड एवरीथिंग. ओके, नाउ क्रिएट दैट हाइप. उसके बाद इफ यू आर सॉल्विंग एनी नोबल कॉज, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम ट्राइंग टू इरेज द मिडल मैन इन बिटवीन, सो दैट डायरेक्टली आर्टिजन्स कस्टमर को सेल कर पाए. सो इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट, आपका जो भी नोबल कॉज है, create it into a video, make a engaging video. आजकल की ऑडियंस, हम लोगों का अटेंशन स्पैन इतना गिर चुका है, हम लोग 2 मिनट से ज्यादा वीडियो भी होता है तो अब रील्स को भी 2x पे देख लेते हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल यू, मेक इट शॉर्ट एंड क्रिस्प, start with a hook. And I know this is something that people have been talking like crazy on social media, but this is somewhere the reality, so you have to do it. Okay, and like for example भी artisan का example लेते हैं. Whatever they are making, shoot it, ask them to, आप अपने बारे में बताओ, how do you feel, आपको थर्ड आई ज्वाइन करने से पहले how much आप कितना अर्न करते थे, now what are you earning, इस तरीके से करो. ओके, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, दिस बिल्ड्स क्रेडिबिलिटी टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. एंड जब उसमें एक इमोशनल कॉल, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि क्रिएट इमोशनल कॉल जब है ही नहीं तो नो. आपका अगर फन कॉन्टेंट है, मेक इट ह्यूमरस. आपका जिस भी तरह का कॉन्टेंट है, find a niche. Finding a niche is very important. Okay, share behind the scenes, this works like crazy. And also share your real brand story. Trust me, whenever I've told people that why did I start Third Eye, आई वॉज टॉकिंग विद अ न्यूज़पेपर. अभी जब AKTU स्टूडेंट स्टार्टअप अवार्ड हम लोगों को मिला था, तो उस समय न्यूज़पेपर वालों का कॉल आया था, एंड 3-4 पीपल दे सेड. मैंने 5 और अलग लोगों से बात करी, बट बिकॉज यू शेयर्ड योर रियल स्टोरी, जब हमने पूछा, it gave me goosebumps, and I don't know if they were truly saying it or not, but I liked it. And trust me, it is a real story. तो आप जितना रियल रहोगे उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा है. एंड आफ्टर दैट, वंस आफ्टर लॉन्चिंग सब कुछ आपने कर लिया, डोंट मेक इट अ प्रोडक्ट कैटलॉग. अपने इंस्टाग्राम को प्रोडक्ट कैटलॉग नहीं बनाना है. प्रोडक्ट कैटलॉग इज ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल. इट इज़ अ वेबसाइट थिंग, राइट? आप वो वेबसाइट पर करो. मेक इट एंगेजिंग, मेक योर इंस्टाग्राम एंगेजिंग. जब आपके ऑडियंस को एक बार एवरी वन कैन परचेज, बट द थिंग इज, हाउ आर यू रिटेनिंग योर कस्टमर्स? आपका रिटेंशन रेट कितना है? क्या कस्टमर वापस रिटेन नहीं, क्या कस्टमर रिटेन हो रहे हैं? सो यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट. Now there are a few things that I want you to keep in mind like crazy. Remember, very, very, very important, credibility is more important than virality. And when I say this, let me tell you very clearly, being viral and being credible at the same time, you are amazing, you are doing a fab job. But being viral in just one of the reels, and I am very much proud of you if if you are able to do that. But sometimes Instagram algorithm pushes your content if it finds something, some hook kind of a thing. होता है, very nice, but try to create credibility also. Now how you will be creating credibility? A viral reel may get you followers, or probably some people will buy your stuff, but the thing is, after buying, are they coming again? Are they buying your product again? And how will you find that? Every time you give your customer a product, you deliver a product, make sure to be as honest, as real as a founder. Be polite to the customer. I know there are some customers, जो literally बेफालतू में they just criticize, and sometimes they're not even customers, they're literally people around जो आपका content देख रहे हैं, but they have to spread negativity. That is completely fine. And remember, take it as कि आपको कुछ बड़ा करना है, आप कुछ बड़ा करने वाले हो, आप कुछ out of the box कर रहे हो, इस वजह से ये हो रहा है. And don't take it like कि शिट, इसने तो ना मतलब ये मेरे को उल्टा बोल दे रहा है या उल्टा बोल दे रही है. नहीं, इस तरीके से नहीं होना, ठीक है? So now the final takeaway of this video. First of all, remember, share your real brand story and create that hype. Be a founder that celebrates his startup like crazy. Make your startup your first baby. Just love it to the extent that people can see in your eyes that how much you are passionate about that. Because इंस्टाग्राम में यू मस्ट बी सीइंग, आपको खुद, आप और किसी का एग्जाम्पल मतलब आप खुद लो, आपको अच्छी रील्स देखना या कुछ क्या कंटेंट देखना पसंद है, या तो आप उस लाइफ को एस्पायर करते हो कि हाँ आई वांट टू बी दैट वन जो भी कर रहा है, या फिर यू आर समवेयर फाइंडिंग दैट कंटेंट रिलेटेबल जो आपको ऐसा लगता है कि यार हाँ ये तो मेरे साथ भी होता है, इट इज रिलेटेबल. अब the second takeaway that is very important, that credibility is more important than virality. Of course virality, again, don't take things in a wrong way. Virality is very important मतलब वो आपके हाथ में नहीं है, अगर वो हो गया तो ठीक है. If you are organic, also make your organic sales. Try to make your sales as organic in the starting. Don't go with the ads in the initial days only. There is no need to do that. You just have to be relatable, and don't, if you are not relatable, if you have a luxury brand, don't try to be relatable. That is something that most of the people do wrong probably, or I won't say wrong, but हम लोगों की गलती होती है कि अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका लग्जरी कंटेंट है, आपका नीश एक है जो आप सिर्फ कुछ ही लोगों को टारगेट कर रहे हो, make your content relatable to those people. Don't try to make everyone your audience. This is what I want to tell you. And yeah, whatever queries you have, you can share with me. I'll share the link tree down in the description, and you can see all the socials of Third Eye there. If you want to connect, you can connect anywhere on LinkedIn, probably Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, wherever you want to. Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.